Another important topic comes is F5 upgrade. Very, very important topic, like how to upgrade F5 when we have F5 in HA, or let's say we have a standalone device. We have one device active, one device passive. So in that case, guys, we will go with this 11 steps checklist. First of all, guys, what is upgrade? Why you need a upgrade? Now, guys, let's say if you're running into older version, now there is some bug came into picture. Now, if there is a bug, either F5 will recommended you to upgrade, you open a vendor case, you will come to know. Or nowadays, the vulnerabilities are coming into picture. When there is a vulnerability, then F5 suggests you to upgrade. You will check the article. Oh, F5 is suggesting to upgrade to, let's say 13 version, 14 version, or 15. So you should always keep your F5 in N plus. Let's say today F5 has introduced 16. You should at least keep your version as 15, N minus 1. So there are upgrade scenarios, guys. When we talk about upgrade scenarios, first scenario, when there is a vulnerability, then you will upgrade. Second scenario is when you think there is a bug, you open an F5 case, they ask you to upgrade. Now here the concept comes is upgrade path. So F5 has a good article for upgrade path. When you open this upgrade part, so like in firewalls also there is a upgrade part. Can I upgrade directly? Let's say I'm running on 12. Can I go directly to 15? Let's say I'm running version 13. Can I go directly to 16? So guys, you need to refer this article. Very good article. It has written from which part to which part you give. So I will help you to read this. Let's say you are running 12 version. So there is a table version you are upgrading to and version you are directly upgrade from. So someone who wants to use 17 version, guys, they should be either should be on 14 version, 15 or 16. If someone is running on 13, they cannot directly go to 17 version. That is the case, guys. For 16 version, if you want to upgrade your version, you should have 14, 15 or 16. You cannot upgrade 13 to 16 directly. So if you want to upgrade 13 to 16, you need to first upgrade 14, then 15, then 16. This is the best path. N plus 1. This approach you should follow, guys. If you are running on, let's say 11 version or 12, you can upgrade to 13, but 11 version cannot be upgraded to 14. To upgrade to 14, you should be running big IP 12. Here it's written. Only version which are running 12 or 13 can be upgraded to 14. So don't cram anything. This table is there. F5 upgrade part. Just refer this KB article. You can just search K13845. This is the path which I always follow when someone asks me to upgrade, guys. So you can note down this. Now, guys, let's say today my version is, let's see how to check version. That is an important question. Which version F5 is? So I will go here. I will go here, System tab, and in System tab, you will have software version, or you can just go into System tab, Configuration Device General. Can you see the version number which F5 is running? Also, guys, now let's say I want to upgrade from 12 to 13. In that case, guys, you previously what was happening, F5 was having one tool called iHealth. iHealth is one tool which was providing you what are the vulnerabilities there in 12 and why should you upgrade. It's a very good tool. You upload your QK view and it will give you all the vulnerabilities present in this version. So when I open this iHealth, I will show you. So this is the tool which will help you to understand the troubleshooting. So F5 vendor uses this tool very often. This is just like a QK view upload diagnostic tool. iHealth is a tool for diagnostic. So I will open through SIANETS. I will show you. So you want to upload and see what are the things present in this. This is just like a QK view analyzer. QK view is just like a diagnostic file. It has all your files present, like all your configuration. So let's say this is your bigip.example.com. It will tell you everything. How many vulnerabilities are there in your version? So how to take QK view, guys? QK view is basically just like in Cisco, you have diagnostic tools like iHealth is also a diagnostic tool which will help you. So how to take QK view, guys? You need to go into support. Just so it's just like your snapshot file. It will have your configuration, all your data. Then you will upload in iHealth. It will tell you what are the vulnerabilities present in your F5. And it will also tell you which version you can upgrade. So just start. So it will take, it's just a snapshot of whole flight. QK view is just collecting your all diagnostic snapshot configuration. So that generally when you open F5 case, guys, they will also ask you for QK view when you open any F5 case when you are not able to resolve any issue. So it is basically a diagnostic data file which is collecting from F5. So that F5 does not need to log in, sir. They will directly collect your QK view and view through that iHealth. It will give you all configuration. So in Cisco also that diagnostic file is there. I'm not remembering the exact name of Cisco diagnostic file, but we give that file when we open case tech support. That name in Cisco is called tech support. So same here it is called QK view. It is a diagnostic file which will help F5 to diagnose that what is your version number, what are the vulnerability present, what are your configuration, all things. Very important. So now until this snapshot is taken, we'll wait for 2 minutes. But I was talking about this upgrade. First step in upgrading is, let's say you are going from 12 to 13. You need to see the release notes. What are the features enables? Generally, people don't have time. Generally, sir, we also don't read this data. But when you upgrade from 12 to 13, there are release notes, which will help you to understand what were the features not available in 12, what are the features available in 13. It is a long, no one reads that. This is download. I am downloading this. Meanwhile, I will show you release notes. See, upgrade is not difficult, but you need to check whether everything is working fine after upgrade. So this is how it is. What are the new features been introduced? So you can read it. Generally, people don't read, but quick read can help. What is the things which have been introduced in this version? It will show you. Now, first thing is, guys, let's say I want to upgrade my F5 lab environment from 12.1.0 to 13.1.6. First step is I need to download this image. So how to download this operating system? You need to go to downloads.f5.com. I will show you. You should have your account. Once you have an account, just click on this. You log in. I'm already logged in. Find a download. Now, let's say I want to upgrade to 13 version. So you will go to 13 version. Now see, you can select latest version in 13. There are different versions, 13.1.4, 13.5. Always use the latest version. And after that, you need to go to 13.1.5 here. Once you click this, guys, it will give you an ISO file that you need to download. You just need to accept it. Here, can you see this file? It will show you use for upgrades. So just download. Once you download, it will be present in your directory. I already have here 13 like this. This is like you will get one image. So now, once you do this, guys, let's say I select this, I will download. You can select any location, Singapore, let's say. I will say download on this directory. So this is how you download. Now the next step is, guys, first step, whichever version I need to search, I will download that ISO file by going into this. Now I will have the latest image with me. Now step 2, UCS backup, guys. We talked about, right, when we upgrade is a major change. So you should have a backup. Let's say after upgrade device does not come up. So you should take a UCS backup. Guys, anyone tell me how we can take a UCS backup? So you need to go to system, archive, and take it. For each box separate. I have active box and passive. For each boxes, take your UCS. For primary box also and secondary. So this is how you can take UCS backup. Once you take a UCS backup, guys, that is the step 2. Next step is very, very important. In some cases, guys, you might need to reactivate the license. Why? Because there is a concept here, service check date, license check date. Service check is greater than license check date, then we should not reactivate. If it's not, we need to reactivate the license. Now you will ask what is service check date and what is license check date. Very, very important, guys. If you don't check this condition, your configuration or upgrade can get fail. Your configuration load cannot happen or upgrade will get fail. So you need to understand what is service check date and what is license check date. So in this scenario, guys, service check date, just understand that service check date is date when you last activate your license. Date when your license was last activated. That is called service check date. How to check this, guys? So you need to go to F5, very important condition. Where I need to go to check the license check date? Anyone? Service check date, sorry. Which tab I should select? I need to check when my license was last activated. When my license was last activated. So you need to go to System License tab. It was 2023. So this will be my service check date. And what I told, if service check date is greater than license check date, then we don't need to have reactivate of license. Now, what is license check date, guys? License check date, how you will check? License check date is a static date. It's a static date, static. Whenever new version is launched, they will have a license check date with it. Every version which comes in, it will have a default static date. How you can check it? Just type in Google license check date F5. Here you will find. Now let's say you are upgrading to 12 to 13, guys. What would be my license check date, guys, for 13 version? 2017. This is my license check date. What is my service check date, guys? 2023. Do I need to activate license or not? Anyone? My license check date is 2017 build. This 13 version was introduced. My service check date is 2023. Do I need to reactivate my license? I need an answer. Excellent. So this link also I will put to everyone. Both the links, upgrade path. So service check date 2023 is greater. If service check date is greater, then you don't need to reactivate your license. Command in CLI, you can enter this. But generally, I will suggest you to check from this only. So we have checked this condition, third condition. Now, guys, here comes your upgrade part. You need to import the F5 image. So give me 1 minute. I will stop sharing and I am just taking in that downloads so that I will upload. I have downloaded. You can also download. Just give me 1 minute. I will import. Okay, now I am sharing. So now, guys, what we did is we have this here. It is my ISO image 13.1.5. I will, where I need to go, I will just stop it. I will go to system. Everything related to upgrade is on system tab. You need to go to software management. Here you will get import image. Go to import. Here you select the latest image. So just select this. So I'm in standby. I need to first upgrade my standby device. This is my active. I'm not touching this. So that is how you import. Simple. So it will take 5 minutes. No return issue. So where we went? System tab, software. Then we have, can you see right now version is 12 and it is active. Boot location HD1.1. Now we are importing. Just click on import and import the latest image. It will tell you the percentage after some time. So just select that file and upload. So it is copying into my F5. It takes 5 to 10 minutes, not an issue. That is the fourth step. Now guys, once you import guys, you will see one is already installed image and one is available images. So like in Cisco also when you upgrade, what you do, you just change your boot location. In F5 also you will need to just change the boot location. Right now this is active. I need to make this version active. So you will see like this. Right now it's taking time. Let's give us some time. Now when I will show you, I will just log in again into this device. So here you will see one installed image, one available image. After that, what you will do, this is how it is shown. Now, after that, once you have an available image, guys, you will select tick mark and you will get an option to install. After that, once you click install, guys, I will show you that because it's checking, it will take time. This is the one which will have. So it will tell me which hard disk. By default, have F5S HD1. So how to see hard disk? Just go to system, disk management. You will see. Click on this, you will see HD 1.1. How much you need to also check whether you have a space. Let's say if this is full, then you cannot install. So you need to check the hard disk space. So it is still taking, no problems. So once you see, you need to select the volume, guys, here. So generally by default, F5 by default has 3 volume, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Initially, if you see in the picture, 1.1 is there. Now I want to install on another location because on same location, you cannot install 2 images. So I will change the boot location. So once I select, let's say 2 here, it will give. After that, you can make it force offline so that active does not come into picture. You can force offline and upgrade so that in between this device does not become active, guys. So that is also very important step. You need to make sure when you are upgrading, you force offline and upgrade so that it does not take part in your cluster. I will. So this is how you do it. Let me see. I think it's taking time. Just hold on. 137.51. I will try to import here also. It's taking some time there. Let's see. So once you do it, guys, this is the step you do, force offline. So how to do force offline? I will cancel this active one. So you need to go to online, select this online, and here you are getting option 2, force offline. Just select force offline. Force offline does not mean that it does not have a management reachability out. It is just force offline. It will not take process in your data traffic. After that, guys, see, you need to just go to boot location. You need to change it right now. Let's say boot location is 1.1. So you will see here, I will show you system, software management, boot location. You will see here one more boot location like HD 1.2. So just select it and you will be able to upgrade. That is the only thing which we need to take care. So first we select install this image. We first import, then install. Then we select the hard disk, volume. After that force offline. Then change active boot location. Once you do this, you can release the offline version and then test the application. So these are the 9-step, guys, which you need to do. After that, you can stand by and make it active and test it and upgrade the other node. So these are the 11 steps, guys, which you need to do. It's very easy if you follow. Trust me, I can guarantee you, you can upgrade. If you follow this 11 step, this is tested in production environment, guys. This is the checklist which I made after following the production environment. I will share you this document also today in WhatsApp group, or I will upload in Drive. Let's see how much time it's taking time. I'm not sure, just not sure why it's taking some time. Generally, it does not take time. So I will see system. I will try to import it again. Let's see if any progress happens. We will wait. Meanwhile, I will just pause it. So guys, it was taking time. So what I did, I have gone to WinSCP and I had image in my C drive. I've just moved into my shared images directory, shared images. Then I uploaded through WinSCP. Generally, don't cause issues, but In my case, it was having issue. Now I will just install. I will click here, install. Now I will select volume 2 because 1.1 is already occupied. Then I will just boot into 1.2 volume. That's it. So any confusion on this step, anyone? So see, now we have 1.1, 1.2. To make it 1.2, if I reboot this device from 1.2, then it will come with this image, which I will show you. So it will take 2 or 3 minutes or 5 minutes. It has started doing it. Now what we are doing is we have imported the image. Now we are installing on boot volume. So any confusion here? Anyone? Like how did I did it? Because it was getting issues from my side. I'm not sure why it does not have issues. But in my case, when I was importing, it was taking time. So let's take this. It will get complete. Now it's installing in boot location 1.2. So any question you can ask. Anyone has done upgrades previously in F5? Anyone from you? Any issues you faced? Because I never faced, I checked this checklist. I never faced these issues. So Harsh, you upgraded your F5 in productions, or you were telling now you doing upgrade, you were facing some issues. So this was the issue you were having. So guys, if you see now this installed images, you can see 12.1.0, 13.1.5. Which one is active? This one is active. Now I need to make sure that my boot location should be this one. So how to change boot location? Just go to boot location, go to SD 1.2. Here you can see previously my version was this. I want to upgrade. And there is one option called install configuration. This you should select yes. So what happens? I was telling you that sometimes people, what they want, they have installed the image, but they will upgrade maybe after 4 days or 5 days. In between, you have done some changes. So that changes also you want to install. Means all the updated configuration should come on from this version to this version. Select yes always and just activate. So it is saying that, are you sure you want to boot into another volume? I will say yes. That's it. Once you do this, it will start booting up from the new image. Now it is shutting down and it will come up with the new updated version. Even you can see here, go to this device standby. You will see what are the things happening. I will go here on my, you should have a console also. See, so whenever you upgrade a box, always take a out of band access, guys, so that you can check the logs, what's happening in between. So right now you will see that everything is getting restarted. Processes are getting, so always take an out of band access and connect your laptop. You should have a data center engineer. So it will show you all the things which are happening. So that is it for the upgrade. Now it will take some time. It will restart. Can you see this? Now it is booting from 13 version. I'm not doing anything. Now it will come up from 12 to 13. All the logs, if any issues comes in, it will show you. Now see, it has upgraded to 13 version successfully. Only thing, if you follow the checklist, just you need to check import and license check that UCS backup, that's all. Otherwise, it's not difficult. No, it is just starting it. The total estimate in hardware level, it's around 15 to 20 minutes. It takes if you have imported and install it. So always import and install image before maintenance window. Mostly you take maintenance window to upgrade both the devices 2 hours plus 1 hour testing. Generally 3 hours windows are taken. It is a Linux, so it is starting all processes. So if someone ask you why you want to, like how much maintenance window you want, you can tell them at least 3 hours with testing. So it will come in 1 minute more, 1 or 2 minutes. And after that, that will get upgraded to 13.1.6, 13.1.5. And then you will ask your application owners to do the testing. Then only upgrade another box if they confirm everything is fine on this device. First, we will make this device active, and then we will ask application owners to test the application. All the processes are almost started. IP address also it's taken. Finally, we are into 13.1.5. Just log in. It is now starting. Shows is version. You can run this command in CLI to check what is the version. See. Now, what is the version? 13.1.5. So that is all about your upgrade. It will take 1 or 2 minutes for this to also come up GUI. So I will refresh to see. It is starting the web server. Now I think it has come up. I will open both the devices. Admin. Can you see now? It is in disconnected state. Let's wait for this. Here it has come up. Okay. So give 1 more minute. And now this has been upgraded. You can check from here also. System configuration device general. This is 13.1.5. And if you want to see this system configuration device, this is 12. Now we need to check that clustering part. Device management. Why it is showing me disconnected? Fazil, this will answer if Fazil is there, if you can see this. So any confusion, any doubts you have, this is the live thing which you can see in production environment also. It will not impact any data traffic. But let's do one thing now. Let's try to delete these two virtual servers. Let's see if it has been deleted here. So see, config sync is not happening. It's not giving me an option. So because they are not in trust with each other, because they are on different version. So guys, Arundeep or any other people, is it clear? Vamshi, Vikas, like this question was asked when they are a different version, what will happen? So your cluster will not get config sync. Your configuration sync will only not work. Your data traffic will be still up. So this completes your upgrade path.